What's up, YouTube? I'm back. At least I think I'm back. I've been MIA for the last few months, and if you haven't seen the title, but you probably did since you clicked on it, a lot has changed over the last few months, and I want to update you on what I got going on. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. And don't forget, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And so let's get it. So what have I been up to? Well, I've been busy with my studio. Just been taking a lot of clients. It's just been working 7 to 7, but I do enjoy it. So I can't say that I don't enjoy working and doing what I have to do. But a lot of it stems from me not thinking I had enough time for content, but I did. It was just really just carving out that time to hone in and focus on, like, hey, I need to create content. I need to have content for today. I need to have content for tomorrow. I need to have content for the week. And then finding that time to edit it when I'm done. Because it doesn't take me long to edit these videos. I've also been working on my mobile barbershop project as well. If you haven't seen, you can check out the mobile shop on my Instagram and I'll link it down below as well, at DBlessTheBarber on Instagram. But you can check it out and see what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you get a chance, you can go see it. And I will be dropping some more videos along the way to let you guys know what I got going on with it, a little bit more updates. It's been causing a lot of issues as well, as far as the AC and insulation and just problem after problem, but we're working on it. We're gonna try to develop a system and get things moving in the right direction. I've also, we moved into a new house recently, about 3 months ago, and about 3 weeks in, we had family staying with us. So just didn't have really, that creative space at the house to make content. And I do have my studio here, like I'm in, but it's hard to sometimes to get away to go and record content, especially it's time consuming. But a lot of it is coming back to me. So I'm super excited to bring it back. I don't sound excited because right now I'm kind of recording in the middle of the day. I'm trying to make time when I have time to record content. And this is my most creative space is where I work and where my shop is at. But besides all that, really just, a lot of mental blockage I've been having as well, of all the projects and ideas that I want to execute on. It's definitely been hard to really start doing this. So I put a whiteboard in my suite so I can write my ideas down as they come to me to make it as easy as possible to remember what I have to do to create content, whether it's things that I have to do when I get home. Just take a picture of it, put it on my whiteboard at home, and now I have a list of things that I can be doing. On another note, which is the main reason why I'll be posting more on my YouTube channel, is because I am now monetized. Thank you guys for liking my videos, reviewing my videos, commenting on my videos, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. But we'll get to that, on another time, another day, about that process. Maybe, I could teach somebody else how to do it. And I haven't posted in 6 months and I still got monetized. And it took I posted about, say, 10 videos in that time frame, which is like once a week. So probably like 4 or 5 months at that time and then really just one video started taking off, which you just never know with YouTube, what video is gonna take off. But I don't know if anybody knows, but like I've moved to Texas. And if you didn't know that I moved to Texas, you can check out a couple of my vlogs. I'll link some of them up above. And if you didn't know, like now you know. But my clientele has picked up super heavy. It's just definitely been crazy busy at the shop. And I'm back. I'm trying to be back. I'm gonna definitely make it a priority to put this on my calendar to really start creating more content for the channel. You guys just let me know in the comment section what you wanna see, what kind of videos you want. I'll do some tutorials, but honestly, everybody's cutting hair. So like, why would I keep posting tutorials on how to do a haircut? It's just not practical. It's about, I feel like it's a competition between who can give the crispiest haircut. Like I could care less about that. Let's talk about the conversation. Let's talk about the communication. Let's talk about, how to treat your client in the barber chair. Like come on, we got to think outside the box here instead of just posting the same stuff over and over and over again. But for my subscribers already, my existing subscribers, even my new ones, man, sorry I haven't been there, but I'm back. I'm working hard to create a schedule that works for me, that I can be consistent and keep up with everything over the last few months. It's just been crazy, but hope I filled the void on this channel with this video, and be on the lookout for me as I will be posting more videos to help with whatever. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know down below. And without further ado, just make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get these videos when I post them. And if I don't post consistently enough, just blow up my comment section on one of my videos to tell me, yo, we need more, we need more, we need more. And hey, I'll catch you guys on the next one. We got some videos already in the tank, so stay tuned.